moonlight dancing through the trees. Another day to understand. Life is moving hand in hand. Too many voices telling lies, selling fear in different signs. But if you listen to your soul, you already know the road. No man born to live in fear. Truth gets strong when love is near. So keep your heart open wide, let no hate live inside. Every step you take in love bring you closer to the light above. Keep your heart open, don't give in. Only love is how we win. When the world feels broken, a heart, keep your heart open. Politicians talk all day, same old games, different face. But the people still survive, keeping simple dreams alive. Music play another role, heal the mind and feed the soul. When the rhythm touch the ground, everybody feel the sound. No chain stronger than the mind, no truth harder than to find. So keep your heart open wide, let no hate live inside. Every step you take in love bring you closer to the light above. Keep your heart open, don't give in. Only love is how we win. When the world feels broken apart, keep your heart open. One step forward, none behind. Different colors, same design. If we walk the same